Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the amount of video memory used by your graphics card on your ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro laptop. So first of all, you have to switch off the laptop completely, then press and hold F2 button and then press the power button once and wait until your device turns on and the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Now once you're in BIOS menu, go to advanced mode by clicking right here, or just pressing F7 button once. Then go to advanced section, go to graphics configuration, and here you can change the DVMT pre-allocated, and you can by expanding this list you can pick between 64 megabytes and 32 megabytes. And as once you change the value, you can press F10 to save and reset, and then press enter to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.